So with Stephen on the Crestron stand, Stephen, maybe you can just tell our viewers very quickly what Crestron does as a company.
Well, very quickly indeed, what is Crestron? Crestron is more like a solution company. We make products to make your life easier as well in your home environment as in your business environment. For example, we can easily have control of your house with light control, curtain controls. All the AV can be integrated very easily, and you can have as a user a very easy to use touch panel or keypad to intuitively control all the equipment. Not only that, we also make it possible from abroad to check your system to make everything closer to you. So we're actually like a blanket that takes control of your entire life, and all techniques will be combined in a very easy way. And that's what we're trying to show here on this show, on this CEDIA show today, that Crestron has now a very large solution-based catalog that you can have different kind of products from. So we can do anything with our own products. So there's no need anymore to have different brands to get to a solution. We just do it with our own product, with our own equipment, with our own way of working, with our own good installers. And today we have some new products to show this to you and to other people. Moving on with the products then that we have now is the TPS6X, for example. It's a new type of panel, brand new, come to the States, from the States last week on Infocom. It's a new type of wireless panel. It also is a wired panel if you just click on the docking station. So this thing allows you to have control of anything you want. The lights, security control, having feedback, the temperature definitions, audio video equipment. You push on the button DVD player or Xbox, you will start controlling that unit. You can just easily take it off by just releasing it and taking off a docking station. So now you have a new wireless panel with a new RF based reception, so no Wi-Fi, just a new technique from Crestron allowing you to go up to 200 feet of reception. So you walk around your house, you want to listen to the iPod player, you push on the button AV, you go to the iPod player, you can actually select all songs from the iPod player. You want to go to another room and watch DVD, you just push the button DVD, you will see the DVD start playing on that specific screen. You're leaving the home, you will click it back on the docking station / charger. You can easily push a button to say system shut down, or you go away, you say okay, system in sleep mode. You push one button, your heating will go to a certain level, all DVD players will go off, all screens will go off, lights will go off, all environmental functions, any kind of technique will be combined by a very easy button press. That's what we are giving you. We are giving you a good solution, a secure solution, easy to control via the Crestron equipment.
Now, some of our listeners will be thinking, and some of our viewers will be thinking, well, that sounds fantastic, full control of my house, but it also sounds complicated, so how easy to use is the Crestron system?
Well, that's our strong benefit. We work only with a good list of dealers. They are trained by us, we have selected them, they are trained in-house by us, and they know everything about these techniques. And they will get it into your home. So you contact them and they will do it for you. What's important that you tell them what type of layout that you want, because we can make any kind of layout, any kind of intuitively controllable. So the layout is designed to make your life easy. So you only have to matter, or you only choose what you want to press, and it has to work. And that's because we have a good way to work with dealers that they can give this to you. It's just important for you as a customer that you tell to your dealer what that you want, and they will make it for you the way you want. That's how it should be. You just have to push the button, it should work. That's what we can offer you.
So I guess what you're saying here is that if I come up with something that I want that's completely controllable, and I say to you, I want this, you can do it.
Yes. There's not much that we can't do. We do everything. Between our power, of course, not possible to control the sun or something, or the lighting, okay. But within the power of techniques, we do everything you want. We're doing great stuff, and we're doing much more in the future, and we can do anything you want that you need, we can do it.
So Stephen, we've moved around your stand a little bit, so maybe you can tell us about what we're looking at.
Yeah, we're now looking at the new Adagio Adanto product. So what does it mean? Again, talking about the myth about Crestron being a certain price or something, we're now creating boxes with all-in-one solution. In the old days, you had to buy equipment like a processor, a surround sound decoder, an amplifier, a switcher, call it everything you had to buy, put in the rack, cost a lot of money, a lot of installation problems, and so on. We are now combining all these techniques in single products. For example, we have simple units to go to 6 rooms with multi-room audio. You can just switch iPods to different rooms, control the volume in the rooms by easy to use keypads or touch panels. The new product in this range is the Adanto AMSI AIP. So it's a unit, actually this can do everything except making food, to say it like this. It's a unit, it's a processor, so you can actually control your house. You can use it to control your screens on and off. You can hook up modules to it, so you can control the lights, the drapes, you can hook up things to control cameras and so on. Inside is also a 7.1 surround sound decoder with all known modern technology about surround sound built in. You have an amplifier 7 times 100 watts to go to your surround sound speakers. We have a built-in multi-room audio distributor, so you can go to 4 rooms again with all your audio sources. Built-in is a video switcher on HD quality. You can have in any kind of video signal of the camera, DVD player, whatever you want. There's HDMI inputs. There's one single output, high definition, to go to your projector or screen. We can just take the images at the same time and show them on the screen. We can make, for example, you're watching a movie, somebody's pressing the front door, the camera image will come in place, will come in the window. You can say, okay, I'm going to open or not the door. Keep it closed because somebody's coming you don't want, ignore it, watch on to the movie. All in one box solution. Hook this up with a little touch panel or remote control, and that's all you need for your room or home control. Also good to know there's a LAN interface built in, a web page server. You can just surf to your system and have control of this unit. You're on a holiday somewhere, for example, I'm in England today. Well, you can just surf to the system and check all status of your home and building. Are the lights still off? Is nobody entering my home? Is still somebody playing with the DVD player while it's after 10 o'clock and they should go to bed? You push the button and everything is off. So you can inside control the system but also remote control from abroad. So one unit is all that you need. So that's Adanto Adagio AMSI new AIP system.
Okay, well I'm going to ask you the obvious question that my viewers are going to ask me. What kind of price range does this product come in at?
Well, it's a good question, but I can't answer that because then you have to contact your dealer again. The good trained dealers will give you a correct question or good answer to that question. But actually there's going to be another step in place. The client will ask for the dealer, this is what I want, and he will give you the correct products. And he will probably, for example, give you this as a solution. So everything, it's not like you asking, I want that product. It's more like talking to the dealer, say, I want this in my life. How can you do this for me? And then he will give you this solution maybe. That's how we work. Solutions. As I discussed earlier on, we're more like a solution company making solutions for the client, the end client. And you saw already a touch panel that you can use to control your building or home. We saw an Adagio all-in-one box for audio and video and distribution. Now we made a new kind of line that's called the DIN-rail line. These are actually modules that we created to control all your environmental, electrotechnical functions in your building, home or office. So what happens, you're going to hook up all kinds of lighting equipment to one central point. You're going to hook up modules, you're going to connect them to your drapes, to your heating system, to your keypads, to your security cameras and so on. And from very easy to place modules like this, we just click them in a cabinet on a DIN-rail mountable solution, we click them on, we cable it, and via an easy to integrate processor in the same DIN-rail format, we can actually have control of all these things via the same touch panel. So what is benefit of this? It's very easy to install, it's very small, very clean. Also because it's this small, there's good technique behind it, it's easy to integrate in a bigger system. So use the Adanto Adagio system for AV, take this for your DIN-rail solution, for your electrotechnical stuff like lighting and equipment. You have a complete solution to control everything that you need in your home or building. This is brand new on DIN-rail norming. I know where I'm from, that's Belgium. This is standard. This is used in every house. A standard person that knows something about these things can install it. In the UK, I think it will be the same thing. It's very easy to place, easy to connect to a system, and easy to expand your life and to expand the system to have an easy control via one easy to use touch panel or keypad.
Well, Stephen, it's been fascinating seeing your products. Thank you very much for spending the time with us today.
You're welcome, and maybe till next time.